So, hi friends, one of the biggest hiring for 2026 pass out batch has been announced from the HCL Tech, and this post has been basically posted from the experienced HR professional of HCL Tech. So, this one the biggest hiring. Make sure to listen each and every point before applying. So, you can say, are you 2026 BE, BTech, CS, IT, Triple E, EC, and EI graduate passionate about technology and eager to learn? So, HCL Tech, they are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee. This is the hiring I was telling you in the previous video that you should bet. Now they have finally announced the hiring. So if you are from BE BTech and have 70% in 10, 12th UG and PG, then you are eligible for this wonderful profile. Interview locations will be Bangalore and Chennai and open to pan India relocation for exciting project opportunity. So interview जो होगा आपका Bangalore और चेन्नई होगा, you should be available there. And especially I suggest must apply for this wonderful tribe. Okay, more than 14 repost has also been done. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to just go to this profile and you have to register yourself. Okay, so when you will click on this link, then a new window will appear where you have to basically first register. Okay, now if you will register, then this type of window will open. Now make sure अगर आपने पहले से रजिस्टर किया then you will not allowed. Okay, अगर आपने नहीं रजिस्टर किया then only you will be getting the mail for the assessments and other. So what are the steps for this? Step 1, first register yourself, then you have to verify your email, fill application form, means you have to just provide the basic details and all, and just you have to submit the applications. Okay, so beside that, one thing again I'm saying friends, make sure to give and provide each and every detail very carefully. Okay, because you will not able to edit once you have successfully submit the application form. So this is the biggest drive. If you want, you can apply for this role. Okay, and you should be available to the corresponding locations for the interview. Moving to next important drive, that is from the BT group. They are conducting walk-in drive at Gurgaon office, and date is 29 July 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. onward. And this is the location, BT group 8th floor, and building name. So if you are 2025 2026 BE BTech in computer science, IT, EC or triple E, freshers can apply for this wonderful profile. So just you need to fill this form. They clearly mention the timelines, so no entry after 1 p.m. And strictly for the freshers, you need to carry Aadhaar card, 2 copies of your CV and water bottle. Do not carry laptop, they have clearly mentioned, and you have to just fill out this form. So this is specially for the 2026 pass out. Moving to next, that is from the flow card. They are hiring for the role of junior software developer JSD, and freshers are for this working hour 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And this is the role and skill set are required. So if you are from BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, CSIT, then you can apply. You can directly share your resume to this mail ID. Remember, these are some limited hiring, so make sure to update your resume according to the job description. Next profile that is from the Idea Technology Private Limited, and you can apply from the Unstop platform. They are hiring for the role of software support executive. Customer support, technical supports are there. Freshers mail are legal for this, and these are the requirement. You should having good communication skills, be confident in interacting with clients, and other requirements are there. So just check out, and you can expect salary till 3 lakh per year. So lots of perks and benefit you will be getting. बात करते हैं next friends. If you are liking our effort, make sure to like and share this video so that you will not miss any update. Soon Cognizant hiring will be announced, so whenever any update will come, I provide. Going to next, that is from the Cohere. They are hiring for the role of intern positions LLM post. So this is the hiring. And as a machine learning intern, you will design, train, and improve upon cutting edge model. You will working on lots of AI technology, and you should be proficient in Python and related ML framework such as TensorFlow, TF Serving, JAX, and other. So this is a wonderful profile, and you will be getting good perks and benefit from this company. So if you want, you can apply for this role. Moving to last, that is from the Optum. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, and for this, the job location is Hyderabad. Additional location Gurgaon and Haryana. Means Gurgaon, Haryana are there, and this is the also ML position. So make sure to work on this particular tech stack because this is the demand in current market. Hope related to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask her, and all the best who have Infosys exam. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask her. I have already made a detailed video related to Infosys round 2. कोडिंग टेस्ट कैसा होगा, क्वेश्चन पैटर्न एंड कौन सा क्वेश्चन वगैरह आप लोग को सॉल्व करना चाहिए. सो अगर आपने वो वीडियो चेकआउट नहीं किया, यू कैन चेकआउट दैट, एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स में. थैंक यू.